Raj Agrawal, CEO of Localytics. Localytics is an analytics provider for mobile applications. We help the developers of iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone 7, and other smartphone and tablet apps better understand their users so they can make smarter decisions and build more successful and profitable applications. So we give developers powerful tools to really understand their users and where people are running into problems. For example, funnel analysis to help them understand where users are dropping off. Engagement tools to understand who your most valuable users are and what you need to do to keep them on board. So an app developer would want to use us because we provide a much deeper level of insight on their users so they can actually understand who it is that they're marketing to and what it takes to get them to convert. We're working with many thousands of applications, including some of the top companies in the space. For example, the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, and many others. We help the publishers of apps understand, for example, where in their funnel they're losing their users, how people are navigating through their apps to find the weak points in the application so you can improve the application experience. Localytics uses AWS because it provides the flexibility and the scalability that we've needed as a startup as well as a rapidly growing business.
We've been using AWS from the very beginning. Our Rails application is running on EC2, backed by EBS. We're talking to a number of databases, also running on EC2, a lot of column store databases. We're using MongoDB, using a little bit of SDB. The backend is a full real-time pipeline built in Scala. We receive requests from our Akka framework. We are using a number of AWS services to help move the data around, such as SQS, to get the events moved back and forth very quickly between our queuers and our processing. We're using the elastic features of EC2 to bring up processors and databases as demand moves and goes along with the market. On the back end, we're storing all of our data in S3, and we're using EMR to do Hadoop MapReduce jobs on top of it to get the answers back as quickly as we can.
Localytics entered the AWS Startup Challenge because Amazon Web Services has been a critical part of our business from the beginning, and we wanted to illustrate how creatively and innovatively we're using AWS across our entire stack.